My name is Spider Nick.
You just graduated high school. What are you planning on doing next?
Travis Scott burger.
I'm not gonna turn around and flex my butt. Come on, Nathan.
Get your ass back here!
Very good.
Like a mortal man, and you put him in control.
What was that noise?
Bagel delivery. Fuck you.
Another day, another dollar.
If your ass ain't look like Phoenix and Ferb.
Hello.
Dumbass poodle.
Don't call me poodle. Get out!
Nigga, I was at the mall, my nigga low. I met this nigga named T. OG nigga from Grape, my nigga low.
Feels good to be a gangster.
Where's my super suit?
I'm just a nigga with a rocket launcher.
Who the fuck is driving the black car with the fucking red hood?
God!
I'm a man too, you know. I go pee standing up. You must become water. Flow like water.
I've come.
Cheers.
Rest in peace, Pop Smoke.
It's just one of those days.
Hey guys, it's Todd again.
Honey barbecue braised boneless beaver booty.
She's a beast. I call her mama.
Oh no.
I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear. You go that way. I'll go home.
Buford, you listening?
What in the orangutanabanga is a swag?
Baba Booey. Damn. Mine's yours. Was yours and mine.
Wanna get Rudolph?
You could have an aneurysm on the toilet.
Daddy, chill.
I gotta break a broom handle off in your ass.
No more saying
There is no tomorrow.
Bullshit.
There is no tomorrow.
Bullshit.
There is no tomorrow.
Grandpa, have you seen Terrio?
Ooh.
Is that your brother, Hunter? Hey, Hunter.
Oh my God, it's Albert Einstein. It's Albert Einstein. Oh my God, it's Albert Einstein. Oh my God.